Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we are continuing with Jessica, who has opened her bank account earning 2% interest with an initial deposit of $100. And in the last problem, which you can see the video on that, we found that the value of x in this expression is going to be 1.02. So Jessica, with 2% interest, has a expression to value the amount in her account as 100 times 1.02 to the t, where t is the number of years since she deposited the money. Now, Jessica's friend Tyshaun has an account that earns 2.5% interest, again compounded annually, and he made the same deposit of $100 into his account at the same time. So t is going to be the same. The only thing that's changing is the interest. Since it's going from 2 to 2.5, it's going from 1.02 to 1.025. Again, if you don't understand how we got these values, you can look at the last video. So, we are asked, after 10 years, how much more money will Tyshaun's initial deposit have earned than Jessica's initial deposit? So, what we want to do is we want to calculate for t is equal to 10, since t is the number of years and we're looking at 10 years. So, we have 100 times 1.02 to the 10, which is going to come out to roughly 121.899. And then for Tyshaun, same thing, 10 years, just with a different interest rate, and that's going to come out to roughly 128.008. So, for actual rounding sake, right, we're rounding to the nearest cent, since that's how money works. So for Jessica, that's going to be 121.90, and for Tyshaun, that's going to be 128.01 cents. How much more money did his deposit earn than hers? We'll find the difference between them. 128.01 minus 121.90, and when you calculate this out, do the subtraction, you get 611 is going to be the difference between their accounts, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.